Education Department launches 3 online video channels, 9 more in the pipeline. Online evaluation tests for government school students from July 13. Punjab CM announces cancellation of all university exams. Bihar awaits centre's guideline on opening schools. COVID crisis has showcased the resilience and innovation of the education system. School shut, no midday meal, children in Bihar village back to work selling scrap. CBSE partners with Facebook for curriculum on digital safety, augment reality. Pune fees payment plaints reach PCMC Education Department. Chapter on Corona be introduced in school curricula, Rajasthan Minister. PBT school teachers stage protest. Private budget school owners suicide. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Janvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: as a part of state's online learning initiative, the Education Department on Sunday partnered with GeoTV to launch 3 video channels and a radio channel to roll out education content for students. About 1.3 lakh government school students of classes 6 to 12 in Ludhiana will have to sit for online bi-monthly assessment tests from July 13, the State Council of Educational Research and Training has said. University and college examinations in Punjab have been cancelled in view of COVID-19 pandemic, Chief Minister Captain Amarendra Singh said on Saturday. However, the online exams being conducted by some universities will continue uninterrupted. In the face of rising graph of COVID-19 positive cases, which had crossed the 6,000 mark in Bihar, and large number of school buildings converted into quarantine centers, the state government is treading cautionly and not in any hurry to open schools and colleges too soon. The approach to education during the pandemic has relied on short-term and strategic initiatives. The Prime Minister E-Vidya scheme synergizes and strengthens several distance education projects, digital, online and mass media. With the government extending the closure of schools at least till July 31st, Keshav Desiraju, former Union Health Secretary, points to serious questions that must be answered on education and malnutrition. The Central Board of Secondary Education and Facebook have partnered to launch curriculum on digital safety and online well-being and augmented reality for students and educators, Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced on Sunday. Even though the state government has told schools to adopt a flexible fees approach this year, citing the pandemic situation, private schools reportedly are insisting that fees be paid upfront. Jaipur Rajasthan Health Minister Raghu Sharma has said that a chapter on coronavirus should be introduced in school curricula to help the coming generation become aware of the challenges society faces together in fighting COVID-19. A protest was held by the Telangana All Private Teachers Association on Sunday, asking the government to take initiative for providing salaries to teachers. Speaking at the protest, Association President Chandralal urged the state to provide Rs 15,000 aid to teach private school teacher. Bachpan Play School owner Mahendra Meshram's suicide is the outcome of parents not paying fees. Late Meshram was invested his personal finance and taken loans to start a school and created an opportunity of quality education in a remote area. The ongoing empathy towards budget private schools may result in the complete collapse of education system in the country and put millions of students' future at risk. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.dnn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Jahnavi.